The water system covers a large area, including the pools and a spa facility. Grander is installed at the central water intake and therefore benefits all services that use water. To us, Grander is a good investment and a brand we trust. And it gives us confidence in the high quality of our water.
We installed Grander in 2008, and it hasn't required any maintenance since then. From the beginning, we have used chlorine in all the pools. After installing Grander, we got rid of the chlorine smell, and guests have started to report that the water is good for their eyes and skin. At Arena, we care a lot about the environment. That's why we use solar panels to heat the water. For this purpose, we have been relying on Grander inline units that provide clean and crystal clear water in the heating and cooling circuits.